In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello as a project management software for beginners, 5 minutes. First, head to the Trello website. If you're new, sign up for a free account. If you already have one, simply log in. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new board. A board is your project's home, so give it a clear, specific name that reflects what you're managing, like marketing launch or home renovation. Before you create it, choose the visibility that fits your situation. Private keeps it for you, while workspace or public visibility allows others to view or collaborate. Just be mindful of what you make public. Inside the board, Trello is built around two core elements: lists and cards. Lists represent stages in your process, and cards are the individual tasks or ideas that move through those stages. You can title lists to match any workflow. A simple setup is to do, in progress, and completed. If you're managing content, you might use ideas, research, writing, editing, and ready for publishing. Keep list titles short and clear so the workflow is easy to scan. You can drag and drop lists to rearrange them anytime as your process evolves. Now, add cards to your lists. Click Add a card at the bottom of a list and type a short, actionable task title, like draft blog outline or send client brief. The magic of Trello is tracking progress visually by dragging cards from one list to the next as work gets done. This gives you and your team a real-time snapshot of what's moving and what's stuck. Click any card to open the card back, where you'll add details and collaborate. Use the description to outline context and key instructions. Add a checklist to break work into smaller steps you can tick off. Set a due date to keep deadlines front and center. Trello can remind you before it's due. Apply color-coded labels to categorize tasks by priority, type, or team. Attach files, links, or images so everything you need is in one place. And use comments to communicate directly on the card, which keeps conversations attached to the work rather than buried in emails. As you build out your board, keep your workflow simple, make each card represent one clear task, and move items frequently so the board stays accurate. That's the foundation of using Trello for project management. Create a board, customize your lists, add cards, and enrich them with details to keep your work on track.